Now we will discuss the MCQs of your chapter. So the first MCQ is messenger RNA is synthesized by option A DNA polymerase, option B RNA polymerase, option C RNA ligase, option D none of the above. The right option is option B RNA polymerase. Second है which of the following are nonsense codon? AUG, UAA, CUA, all of the above. The right option is option B UAA. Third है enzymes are responsible for assembly of option A nucleic acid, option B protein, option C carbohydrate, option D all A, B, C. The right option is option B protein. Fourth है in bacteria the newly synthesized messenger RNA is released in option A nucleic acid, option B cytoplasm, option C mitochondria, option D in B and C. The right option is option B cytoplasm. तो इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs complete हो गए. In the next topic we will discuss the short answers of your chapter.